Hello! Today we have a Little Nations bike. It's blue colored and it's a balance bike. So let's open it up. So this is the wheel. And this is the second wheel. And this is the seat. We'll attach it to the bike. The handle. Okay. And this is the frame. Screws and things to put it together. So let's start to put it together. These are the wheels, and this is a handle. And this is a nice soft seat. It looks really cool. And then the screws and that. And this is a really nice bright color and has Little Nations written on it with white. It's a nice bright color and Bob's favorite color is also blue. And this is the front fork. So you put it in front and you can attach the wheels. So let's start assembling it. So I need help assembling this bike, so I'm going to call my dad. Dad? Finally guys, the bike is done. And the tires are really nice, has a nice texture, and it has a really nice soft seat, and it has a really nice shiny blue. And Abad can't wait to try it. So let's go and try it. Look guys, this is really cool bike. Let's drive it.